Once upon a time, in a far-off kingdom, there lived a beautiful princess named Isabella. She was kind, smart, and brave, and her people loved her very much. One day, a wicked witch put a curse on the kingdom, causing crops to fail, animals to fall ill, and the skies to turn dark and stormy. The people were afraid and did not know what to do. The princess knew she had to act fast to save her kingdom, so she set out on a journey to find the witch and break the curse. She rode her trusty steed, a white horse named Snowflake, through the forest and over the mountains. As she journeyed, she met many people who were suffering from the curse. They told her of the witch's evil deeds and how she had cursed the kingdom out of jealousy. Determined to save her kingdom, the princess rode on, facing many dangers and obstacles along the way. She encountered fierce beasts and treacherous rivers, but she did not give up. Finally, she reached the witch's castle, high on a mountain top. She climbed the steep stairs and knocked on the door, ready to face the witch. The witch laughed when she saw the princess, thinking she was no match for her magic. But the princess was not afraid. She stood tall and brave and spoke with a strong voice. "Witch, I have come to break your curse and save my kingdom. I will not let you harm my people any longer." The witch, surprised at the princess's courage, tried to fight her with magic spells and curses, but the princess was too quick and too smart. She used her wit and her kindness to outsmart the witch, and soon the curse was broken. With the curse lifted, the kingdom was restored to its former glory. The skies cleared, the crops grew tall, and the animals were healthy once more. The people rejoiced and thanked the princess for her bravery. The princess returned home to her castle, where she was welcomed back with open arms. She ruled her kingdom with wisdom and compassion, and the people loved her even more. And they all lived happily ever after.